Alright, listen up. This is how you get a soundboard. It's really easy. If you don't do this like in 3 minutes, you're kind of an idiot, and there's no helping you. Okay, first thing you're gonna want to do is download VoiceMod. VoiceMod's a pretty good application because not only does it give you like cool voices, like for example, I'm gonna do like I don't know this one.
What's up, bitch?
That's pretty funny. So but it does more than that because it's here. If you go right here, there's also a soundboard thing. I already have all my sounds here, but I think this only works with VoiceMod Pro. So just pay $10. Ask mommy for $10. It's not that bad. All right. Just click right here. Looking to leave your friend speechless with incredible sounds. Shut the fuck up. Click this one, the first one that pops up, and you're gonna have a bunch of sounds, right? For example, if I want this one. Then I'll click the link and then I'll click download MP3 right there. That's where it says it. All right, you just gotta click the button. You'll hear the sound. You just get whatever sound you want. There's just pages and pages of sounds, and then you go back to your thing, to your soundboard. You want to click this plus button. It'll probably be right around here. When you have 0 sounds, click it. Go to downloads, because that's where you fucking got it. I mean, you downloaded it just now, so it should be on the top of downloads. Click open, and there you go. And then, for example, I'll show you that it works. I'm gonna go on Discord and I'm gonna play some sounds for people. It's gonna be great. Guess what, man?
What?
Now you know that it works on Discord, so you can hop on there and troll your stupid little friends. Fuck you. Give me all the dislikes. I don't care. Goodbye.